Hi, I'm Yasmin, one of the skin and laser specialists here in Havana Digital Media, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about, is the Dermaroller really good for your skin? So yes, of course, the Dermaroller is amazing for your skin. It will fix a lot of our concerns and problems that we don't like about ourselves. For example, acne scarring if you suffer from acne, open pores, blocked pores, also fine lines, wrinkles, maintaining your skin, and if you have any stretch marks on the body. So the benefits of using the Dermaroller would be eliminating or reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to close your open pores, unblock our pores that are blocked. It's also going to help with acne scarring and stretch marks, and also hydration, dead skin cells, etc. So what it would help with is, for the most popular reason, is your fine lines and wrinkles. So it's stimulating your collagen and your elastin completely naturally. You're not putting any Botox, any fillers underneath the skin. We would ourselves use hyaluronic, which is hydration underneath the skin, but it's going to fill out our skin as well. As I said, it's completely natural. We also use it for acne scarring. So if you suffered from acne from a few years ago, you have it now cleared up and we're left with scars, the Dermaroller is going to create a controlled injury on the surface of your skin. When we create that controlled injury on the skin, your skin is going to repair itself. When it repairs itself, it's going to repair the injury that we've caused, and it's also going to repair the acne. While it's at that, it's going to repair open pores, blocked pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and then again our stretch marks that we may suffer from on our body. It's also really good for pigmentation. So if we have any sun damage when we're using the roller, our skin will shed away. So you will be red for, say, the day you do it. The next day you could be a little bit patchy red, and then about 3 to 4 days after, your skin might feel a little bit flaky and a little bit dry. That's normal, don't worry. So what happens is, when our skin gets dry and flaky, it's our skin that we see here, it's completely flaking off. When it's flaking off, it's helping to flake off our pigmentation. With the pigmentation when rolling, I would recommend, if you use any of the image products, is use the Illuma lightening serum is the best for pigmentation. So put on the serum, roll the skin, and then you'll see a little bit of a change of your pigmentation. As I said, it only works on the surface level of your skin, so it's only 0.5. So don't expect too much result from pigmentation at the very beginning. It will take time, but don't give up. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Build your skin up to 4 to 5 times a week, and then you can bring it back down. If you have any questions though regarding pigmentation, just contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you. And don't forget, girls that have really small lips, there's a bonus when it comes to the Dermaroller. You can actually use the roller on your lips itself. So if you do want to plump up your lips a little bit, use the Derma Plump. You can put hyaluronic on and it will help plump up the lips and give it that little bit more hydration look, and it will give you that Kylie Jenner look as well. If you'd like to purchase your very own Image ADS Premium Dermaroller, all you have to do is follow the link below and you can avail of 60% off.